everyone. Today we are gonna deep dive into why your business needs a website. Businesses need websites because in today's world everything is about surfing online, whether it's buying groceries or selling a product in the market. Digital platforms, that is websites, play a vital role in the growth of businesses today. According to a survey, 88% of the customers search about the product online before they buy it, as it helps them to make smarter decisions. And 34% of the people don't prefer a business without a website. And this buying behavior trend of the customers enhances the importance of a website in today's marketplace. Businesses need to have a professional website, as websites are the backbone of your company, supported by your digital marketing efforts in it. Having a professional website increases the growth of your company by 2 times in the modern marketplaces. Advantages of having a website for your business. Having a website for your business is important in every aspect, as it is 24/7 available to your customers and other businesses too. It helps the customers to contact you easily, as well as receive feedback from them about your services. It establishes your place in the industry. It is easily accessible and enables you to target a wider range of audiences. It keeps the customer informed as well as connected with your product and services. It saves you time as well as money because it is cost effective and brings you profit in long term. A website is a digital platform that provides you with a medium to showcase your work. You can also integrate your website with Google Maps so that customers can find you more easily. The importance of a website for marketing. Your digital marketing approach determines how important a website is for marketing. It establishes your internet presence, and through adverts on your website attract customers to your business. A business website assists in delivering traffic to your company by producing leads, which increases the profitability of both your website and your company. Your website serves as the exclusive means of communication with your company. The content you post there reflects your business that you exhibit to your clients, giving them a clear picture of your brand and the type of product or service you provide, which is why you need a professional looking, comprehensive and easy to use website for your customers. Websites should also be made professionally by analyzing the competitors out there in the modern marketplace. Social media marketing also plays a great role in informing the customers or other businesses about your website. Content marketing is also significant for your website. Building a website for your business gives a healthy and professional start to your company, as it is an official domain name and gives an online identity to your business. Your website should be discoverable in the search engine results. Most of the customers want to purchase good and valuable products, as the customers search with a proximity in mind. And other businesses also want to get served by the best service providers. So as a result, when they search in the search engine, your website should have a prior rank among the results. And for that, your website should be nicely optimized so that the possibility of traffic on your website increases, which get converted into leads, and your business start earning revenues through your website. Therefore, SEO, search engine optimization, plays a major role in ranking of your website in the search engines. SEO is a cost-effective marketing strategy, and a good SEO rank backlinks to your website need to be created on different website pages. A website helps you to build credibility. Having a professional and easy-to-go website builds your credibility, as it attracts customers and help in making more money. It is because most customers judge your business based on the appearance of your website. Therefore, having a professional, thorough and easy-to-go website enhances your potential to easily convince the customers as well as other businesses too that you are a reputed organization, so that you can get more business from them. This may help you learn what works for your business and what doesn't. If you find this video informative, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. for more freshly content like this. Thank you.